I'm Daniel from Tapped In, and I'm going to show you how to create a ringtone in iTunes. First, you'll need to open iTunes. It needs to be iTunes 8.0 and above. Once you've found the song, click Get Info, click Options, and then select the start time of your ringtone and the end time of your ringtone. Once you've done this, you can click OK. Next, right-click the song and click Create AAC Version. This will create a new song into your iTunes. Go back to your old song and remove the start and stop times. Now drag this newly created song onto your desktop. Click Get Info and change the file type to M4R. Hit confirm. Now go back into iTunes and remove your AAC version. And now drag your newly created ringtone into iTunes. And that's how to create a ringtone in iTunes.